Monese how to log in. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into your Monese account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into your Monese account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Monese mobile application here. And once you launch the Monese application, by the way, if you already don't have an account, you'll find the option to actually log out. So first of all, I'll just go ahead and then clear the data from my Monese application here. Once I clear the data, I'm going to relaunch the app for that. And once done, if you don't have an account, you'll find the get started option. But if you already have an account, you can directly tap the login option here. Once you tap on login, tap on continue, and just make sure to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, in this case you want to make sure to just tap the login option from the bottom. It's going to send a confirmation email to this email. So when you open the email app, you should receive this type of notification from Monese, and then here you can just tap the approve phone option in order to approve the phone and then log into your device. This way you'll be able to log into Monese. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.